Every child grows up with the hope of being something special in life. But what happens when the one that they depend on the most is never there?
Told that I was born to fail, I wouldn't amount to much of nothing. Yes, I prayed, there was days I wondered if you really loved me. But baby, you feel pain. Mama would say when I felt like running away, I couldn't take it. I soon hit 10, angry